Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Ahmednasir Abdulahi, Senior Counsel, was barred from accessing or even presenting any case before the Supreme Court and even together with his firm. As we speak, just the other day, Ahmednasir Abdulahi came out suing Kenya at East African Court of Justice, seeking a compensation of 200 million Kenya shillings. The reason is because he was blocked by the Supreme Court together with his law firm presenting any case before the Supreme Court. There is a leaked document here that Ahmednasir Abdulahi is presenting before the Court of East Africa. As I was just wondering if truly Ahmednasir Abdulahi had this document and of course evidence how the last petition where Raila Odinga was not satisfied with the result declared by Wafula Chebukati, saying that William Ruto was a winner. Now Ahmednasir Abdulahi is coming up with a new version. And this new version, his claims, is so traumatizing, ladies and gentlemen. I want us to go through this document that is having a stamp. I don't know if you can see. Is having a stamp of East African Court. But before we do that, ladies and gentlemen, just do me a favor. This video is going to be so interesting. Ensure you like this video. Like this video. You subscribe if you have not subscribed. You give your opinion at the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video. Let us dive into the main discussion. Now, according to the document that Ahmednasir Abdulahi is presenting before African or East African Court and his allegations towards the judges that sat down during the Raila Odinga's petition 2022 general election, is starting by claiming about the cases of the Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu. I don't want to talk about the allegations he's presenting before the East African Court in terms of the allegations, cases of Philomena Mwilu. As per his reason, is claiming that Philomena Mwilu, who is the Deputy Chief Justice, should not be in the office as we speak because of these cases. Now, let us read the main context here that I want you to hear. He is saying that 4 out of the 7 members of the full bench of the Supreme Court that had August 9th, 2022 presidential elections, which pitted William Ruto against members of Kenya's 2 elite and most powerful political families, accepted bribes of between 1.5 to 2 million each, but were unable to influence the outcome of the verdict rendered on 5th September 2022, by which the Supreme Court unanimously upheld William Ruto's win. Number 1, he's saying that Judge A accepted a bribe that was delivered at Judge A's home in Nairobi by a very powerful politician. Number 2, Judge B accepted bribes from 3 individuals: the son of deceased leader, a retired governor, and an influential business woman. Number 3, Judge C took a bribe from a member of the National Intelligence Service, NIS, who subsequently left employment of the said service. Number 4, Judge D accepted a bribe from a member of parliament. Initially, Judge D wanted the bribe to be given to his wife, but later changed his mind. Then this number 24 says the action taken by the respondent state banishing the applicant from practicing before the Supreme Court of Kenya for an specified period amounts an arbitrary action that is not anchored in any provision of formal law that regulates the practice of law in Kenya, which must be accessible and precise and must comply with the substantive requirements imposed by the rule of law and the principle of legality. That is the document that Ahmednasir Abdulahi is presenting before the East African courts. Now, I want you to understand this context. Ahmednasir Abdulahi is claiming that Azimio bribed the judges. And even after bribing the judges, Ahmednasir is saying that this could not change the outcome of the verdict rendered on 5th September 2022, despite of even akina Raila Odinga kubribe our judges. The question is, wakati hii bribery of Azimio haiku change the mind of these judges, it means kwamba the Kenya Kwanza wali bribe hii judges more than even the way the Azimio bribed these judges. So this depends on how these two sides bribed these judges. I don't know if you're getting the context, because the context of Ahmednasir Abdulahi towards his case in East African Court is to expose these judges, how they received bribes, but despite of bribes, they never favored the Azimio. So anasema kwamba Azimio wali bribe judges kuwa favor. But on the outlook of this document is like the Kenya Kwanza bribed more. That is why they went with it. So hii maneno ya Ahmednasir Abdulahi, kama alikuwa na evidence immediately this happened, he could have presented this before the court. Hii ni mtu anajaribu ku sanctify himself so that zile allegations amekuwa akipatiana kwa Twitter ionekane kwamba this man is saying the truth. Can he substantiate that these people were bribed by Azimio? Then these judges never accepted the bribery because the Kenya Kwanza bribed more than the Azimio. That is what we are asking ourselves. And if truly this is substantiated allegation, let him come out and tell us the reality. You cannot use our pain before the East African court to clean yourself from your mess. And the other day, the Supreme Court blocked you from even presenting any case before them. Now you want to use the last petition to clean yourself. At the same time, he has destroyed Philomena Mwilu. He has totally destroyed Philomena Mwilu. And because of that, anataka kujiosha mbele ya court, isikuwe kwamba aliblokiwa kwa sababu kusema uongo. Ladies and gentlemen, kama anasema Azimio walibribe ima judges, then inamaanisha Kenya Kwanza walibribe more. Yes. Walibribe more ili onekane kwamba wako na uwezo kuliko Azimio. What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? Drop your opinion at the comment section below. Otherwise, thank you so much because of your great support. Please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Bye bye till you meet on another video.